Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sushmita. Welcome back to our channel dedicated to the holistic health and wellness through homeopathy. तो आज के इस वीडियो में मैं बात करने वाली हूँ फंडामेंटल कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ होम्योपैथी which is the totality of symptoms. So just take a cup of a tea and sit back and let's dive into the world of the homeopathy. In homeopathy, treating the whole person is at the heart of the practice. So the totality of a symptom is the cornerstone of this approach. It means rather than just addressing the isolated symptoms, we consider the individual as a unique entity, taking into account physical, mental and emotional aspects. When a patient seeks homeopathic treatment, our main goal is to collect a comprehensive understanding of their symptoms so that we can find out the totality of the symptoms to get the correct picture of a medicine. This includes the precise nature of the physical discomfort, emotional state, triggers and the peculiar individualities. Just imagine your health is a puzzle and each symptom is a piece of it. And only by collecting the all pieces we can see the picture. So this is what we do in the totality of symptoms to get the most fitted homeopathic medicine for the patient. As per homeopathy, no two individuals are alike. Even if the two people are suffering from the same condition, their response and their experience towards it can be different. So by considering the totality of symptoms, we provide the treatment to the unique needs of each patient or the person. Well, to understand more deeply, let's consider a case of a chronic headache. So in this case, we won't just focus on the pain, we get deeper into the nature of the headache, also the triggering factors, and the person's overall health will be also considered. This kind of approach guides us to the right medicine and that will be resonates with the individual's symptom. Remember, homeopathy recognizes the deep connections between the mind and the body. So the emotional states and the mental well-being are the crucial components of the totality of the symptom. So never miss these points whenever you are taking the case of any patient. Thank you for joining us today. Until the next time, be well and be holistic.